You may have noticed that your TM7 has come up with an update. All you're going to need to do is follow the prompts on your machine. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes for the update to happen. The most exciting part is that this update includes a sensor mode. If you've got a sensor, make sure that you connect it because it is invaluable for so many different types of cooking. I've mainly used it in baking, but I'll show you what it looks like. You pop into your modes page. If you scroll down, it should be sitting there. There we go. So it's the modes sensor. This is like your control center. There is also an app called Cooking Center that you can use on your phone. So what I'm going to do is actually show you the settings. So if you pop into your grid of 9 dots, that's where you'll find your settings. Tap in there. Down here you go Bluetooth, and this is where you'll connect your sensor. It likes to be quite close by when you're working with it. So make sure it is out and about and you can connect it. So let's go back to the mode. Have a look through. We've got beef, bread, cake, fish, pork, lamb and poultry. I'm gonna go cake. This will be where you would use it manually. If I wanted a soft center fondant cake, for example, it would have the setting there and I would take it out and pop it in. The best part about this, which I really love, is down the bottom here is like a little plug, but it's actually what holds your thermometer and so that you can place it on the rim of a cake. So let me get a cake tin. Got this beautiful rose gold one here, and so I'm just gonna pop it on the edge here so that the cake can sit in. So see how that just sort of sits nicely on there. I can have it two ways, so I can have it sitting in like that, and you never want your sensor to touch the base of the cookware because it will give you a different reading because the cookware is always hotter than the actual food. So that's one way you can have it, or you could turn it around and you can have it on more of a slant, so that's probably better for some breads depending on what you're making. See how that gives you a totally different angle, probably better for like a more shallow sized item that you're making. But to get started, you would just push play, pop your food in, and then it will connect to your phone as well and let you know what's happening. Such a cool update and just another amazing feature when you own a TM7. At the moment, you can get a sensor as a host reward. Otherwise, it is a really good investment, especially if you like cooking meats perfectly. Now we'll go to bread. We're gonna go for a basic dough, and there's your temperature setting. The thing I love about the thermometer that's really surprised me is that it can cook a lot quicker because everyone's ovens are different. It actually accurately tells you the temperature of the food and that it is actually perfectly cooked. It saves you from overcooking anything. Or sometimes with doughs, it's quite hard to find out whether it is cooked in the center, so that will give you this accurate reading. Here are your types of beef that you can choose from. So you can pick if you want medium, rare, and well done, and everything in between. Poultry, you've got your types and meat cuts. You've even got mince, which is quite cool. Chicken burger, that's interesting. Medium well or well done. That is such an exciting new feature, and I hope that you use this mode and make the most out of it. And please let me know if you do. I would love to hear your feedback.